Tired of refined sugar? Have some Jaggery. And while you are here, read on some mind-blowing Jaggery benefits for your body. Jaggery is a natural sweetener that is often used as a healthier alternative to sugar. It is made by boiling sugarcane juice or palm sap until it thickens and solidifies into a block or cone-shaped form. Jaggery has been used for centuries in traditional medicine and Ayurveda to treat various ailments. Also commonly called gur in the Indo-Pak region, in recent years, it has gained popularity in the Western world as a healthier sweetener option. Here is how Jaggery benefits your body. Number 1. Rich in nutrients. Jaggery is a rich source of essential nutrients such as iron, magnesium, and potassium. These nutrients are essential for maintaining a healthy body and help regulate blood pressure, boost immunity, and aid in digestion. Number 2. Promotes digestion. Jaggery is known to improve digestion and prevent constipation. It stimulates the digestive enzymes in the body and helps break down food more efficiently. It also helps in cleansing the liver by flushing out harmful toxins. Number 3. Boosts energy. Jaggery is a natural source of energy that can help boost your stamina and endurance. It is rich in carbohydrates that provide an instant energy boost to the body. Consuming Jaggery regularly can help combat fatigue and improve physical performance. Number 4. Regulates blood sugar. One of the best Jaggery benefits is that, unlike refined sugar, Jaggery has a low glycemic index, which means it releases sugar slowly into the bloodstream. This helps regulate blood sugar levels and prevents sudden spikes or drops in blood sugar levels. Number 5. Rich in antioxidants. Jaggery is a rich source of antioxidants that help protect the body from harmful free radicals. These antioxidants help in preventing cell damage, reduce the risk of chronic diseases, and delay the signs of aging. Number 6. Helps in weight loss. Jaggery is a healthier alternative to sugar for people trying to lose weight. It is low in calories and has a high fiber content that keeps you full for longer periods, reducing the urge to eat unhealthy snacks. Number 7. Aids in detoxification. Jaggery is a natural detoxifier that helps cleanse the body of harmful toxins. It helps flush out impurities from the liver, kidneys, and other vital organs, promoting overall health. Number 8. Boosts immunity. Jaggery is known to boost immunity by fighting infections and strengthening the body's natural defense system. It is rich in minerals and vitamins that help improve the body's immunity, preventing common infections like cold and flu. Number 9. Relieves menstrual cramps. Jaggery has natural anti-inflammatory properties that help in relieving menstrual cramps. It helps relax the muscles and reduces pain, making it an excellent natural remedy for women experiencing menstrual discomfort. Number 10. Soothes respiratory problems. Jaggery is known to provide relief from respiratory problems such as asthma and bronchitis. It helps clear the respiratory tract and reduces inflammation, providing relief from coughs and other respiratory problems. Number 11. Reduces joint pain. Jaggery is a natural remedy for joint pain and inflammation. It contains anti-inflammatory properties that help in reducing joint pain and stiffness. Number 12. Improves bone health. Jaggery contains essential minerals like calcium and phosphorus that help in maintaining healthy bones. It also helps in preventing osteoporosis by increasing bone density. Number 13. Regulates blood pressure. Jaggery helps regulate blood pressure by maintaining the proper electrolyte balance in the body. It also helps in reducing water retention, which can cause high blood pressure. Number 14. Reduces stress and anxiety. Jaggery contains magnesium, which is known to help in reducing stress and anxiety. It also helps in relaxing the muscles and promoting good sleep. Number 15. Reduces water retention. Jaggery is known to have diuretic properties, which can help reduce water retention in the body. It can also be used in the form of Jaggery water or using Jaggery powder mixed in warm lemon water to help you shed excess water weight and reduce bloating. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more informative content. Stay healthy, and stay tuned to Health Hacks.